frozen northern seas, beyond the mountains and the storm, the warriors of the north arise, bound by honor, forged by war. Hear the thunder of our longships, see the fire across the sky. The gods are watching from Valhalla. Tonight we rise. Raise your axes, raise your shields, Vikings! Attack! Trumpets! Born to conquer, born to fight, rising through the endless night. Hear a battle cry. We live, we fight, we never die. Through the wind and raging oceans, across the lands of ice and snow, the spirit of the north is calling, and we will go.
When the northern lights awaken and the stars ignite the sky, we march together into glory, side by side.
Stormborn warriors standing tall, fearless when the darkness calls. Hear the drums of destiny, forever wild and free. Wild and free. Our saga lives forever in the halls of Valhalla. We are Vikings.